Dogecoin price prediction 2021. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. There might be a really good opportunity to buy the Dogecoin dip, so I'll be sharing with you exactly how we've been trading this dip in the Rockstar Trading Channel. I'll be sharing with you where we're looking to buy Dogecoin, share with you a trade setup, and then, guys, I'll be giving you guys the latest update on Dogecoin. There's lots going on with Elon Musk, Coinbase, some really positive news for Dogecoin. People talk about Dogecoin as a meme coin, but I talked about why I like Dogecoin so much. Dogecoin is one of the oldest cryptocurrencies. It's been around the longest. It always pumps during altcoin seasons or when Bitcoin is going up. There's lots of opportunities to make money. People call it a meme coin, but if you look at Dogecoin, if you compare Dogecoin to some of the other cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin is probably decentralized and has a lot of the elements we want in a cryptocurrency. You know, there's lots of coins in the top 100 that don't come close to the Dogecoin usability and what Dogecoin stands for in decentralization, and you know, the meme joke about being Dogecoin being the people's currency. So there's lots of positive news I want to share with you. If you like Dogecoin, if you like cryptocurrency, or if you like money, you definitely don't want to miss this video. So the first thing I want to talk about is, guys, Dogecoin dipped, and one of the points I made in my previous video is, guys, you want to get in when it starts to break out or when it dips, you know, 70-80%. You don't want to FOMO in at high prices. Yes, you can trade. You know, I shared a trade setup here. Go watch the exact video I made a couple of weeks ago. Sorry, I shared exact trade setup in Dogecoin when it was breaking out. My first target was 70 cents where I took profit. And then once it started breaking below 60 cents, I exited my trade. So Dogecoin, I really like. I'll share with you another trade. You can always trade when it's going up, but you don't want to FOMO in at the top. You want to buy in when it's cheap. So the Dogecoin dip came in around 25 cents, was the first buy level that I shared. So this is when you look to buy Doge. I'll share with you the exact trade setup. There were so many dip opportunities. In the Rockstar Trading Group, we bought the Bitcoin dip. You can see we bought it at 30,000. We actually took another position at $36,000. That was the first dip I bought. And the second dip I posted exactly, bought another position, spot BTC at 30,000, and we'll see what happens. And Bitcoin pumped almost 40%. It's been an absolutely crazy market. So people that have been waiting to buy the dip, hopefully you bought the dip. Most new people will buy the dip, will talk about buying the dip, but when it's actually time to buy the dip, they won't buy the dip. If you see, the 36,000 is still like in about 10-20% profit, and the 30,000 is almost up 40% since the bottom, which is absolutely crazy in Bitcoin. Dogecoin, like I've said, Dogecoin is up even more than that. Dogecoin has 2x since that dump. So if you bought the Dogecoin dip, great. Give yourself a pat on the back, because most people get scared and don't buy it. If you're holding Dogecoin, guys, you might want to look to take profit at around the 40-50 cent level. And if Dogecoin breaks above this level, the way the Rockstar Trading Channel, guys, we don't just buy the trend line breakout. We want to see some resistance breakout as well. So if Dogecoin starts breaking out above this, 618 level, this red zone, I'm going to look to buy more Dogecoin. So that's the trade setup in Dogecoin. For dip buying, guys, if Doge ever comes into 10 cent, I'm going to be look to buying Doge. I might have to hold it for a year, but people want to make money straight away. I bought Doge a while back, and if you just held Doge, you can make money. So don't buy. If Dogecoin drops 80-90%, if it has a sharp dip towards 10 cent, I'm going to look to buy it, and there will be a 10-20% bounce initially to take profit, and potentially you can let it run. For my Bitcoin trade, guys, I sold some Bitcoin. I sold half Bitcoin. I'll share with you the exact post. I'm just looking for it now. But once Bitcoin, guys, this is the Bitcoin. I've sold half in Bitcoin once it pumped. But the more important thing is, guys, if Dogecoin dips into 10 cent, just blindly buy some. If it's a sharp dip where people are scared, I want to buy when you guys are scared, and then I'll look to sell on the pump. So that's the price element of Dogecoin. I'll share with you my price prediction in Doge. Let's touch on some key news. So Elon Musk loves Dogecoin, working with Doge devs to improve system transaction efficiency and potentially promising. So you don't want to short Dogecoin when the richest man, one of the smartest people in the world, is pumping Dogecoin. So that's a really positive news for Dogecoin. And Elon Musk have been tweeting about Dogecoin, Doge father, going on CNBC and pumping Doge. So this is some really positive news for Dogecoin. So if you are, a Dogecoin investor, Dogecoin hodler, I'm not saying going all in now. You want to see a big dip, or when it's breaking out. If you're a Dogecoin hodler or have been in Dogecoin for years, this is a really positive news. The best news I would like to talk about is Coinbase. CEO Brian Armstrong is talked about listing Dogecoin, and he's trying to list it fast forward the listing for Dogecoin, and this is really positive news. And this is not just covered on the cryptocurrency media outlets, it's covered by Forbes magazine as well. We plan to list Doge in the next 6 to 8 weeks. They're fast forwarding. Asset addition is something that's near and dear to my heart. Coinbase is going to be focused on how we can accelerate asset addition in the future. There are more and more assets being created in crypto economy. I think it's going to be something kind of like apps in the Apple Store. So you can see, Dogecoin being listed on Coinbase will give it huge exposure to Dogecoin. Coinbase is the biggest and most reliable cryptocurrency exchange there is, and I use other exchanges. You can check the links out below: Binance, BitMEX. There's new ones, Bybit, FTX, but Coinbase is still the most reliable one. I hold most of my Bitcoin, Ethereum, I hold them outside of wallet, but for swing trading and buying and selling, I still use Coinbase for big positions. The Bitcoin dip that I bought, that I shared, I bought that on Coinbase. So that is huge news. Exposure for Dogecoin, for a meme coin, that is not too bad. And finally, the point that not many people talk about, I want to make. This is one of my favorite writers, Nassim Nicholas Taleb. He talks about this thing called the Linda effect, and the point he tries to make is that if a book has been in print for 40 years, you can expect it to be in print for another 40 years. So the longer something survives, the more likely that it will be expected to survive for even longer. So Dogecoin has been one of the oldest cryptocurrencies. There's so many cryptocurrencies coming. People laugh on jokes saying it's a meme coin and all that stuff, but Dogecoin has lasted so long. I think Dogecoin will last longer as well, so don't really bet against Dogecoin. The Linda effect, this is a really interesting topic. I really like it. Bitcoin, he talks about, he's not a biggest fan of Bitcoin, but Linda effects, works on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's been around for 10 years, he's likely to last for another longer time as well. There's lots of coins coming and going, but since its start, Dogecoin, if you look at the Dogecoin chart from the daily, the weekly, it's in a massive uptrend. It will have a big pullback, 80, 90, whatever percent. Look to buy it. You want to buy on a huge pullback, and if you are trading it, you can look to buy the breakout as it's breaking out like we have. So those are the key news updates I wanted to share with Dogecoin. Looking at price prediction, guys, I still believe Dogecoin to $1. As long as Bitcoin, Ethereum recovers and Elon Musk keep tweeting about Dogecoin, guys, I believe that $1 target of Dogecoin is not too far away. People call me crazy for calling Cardano to $1. In a bull market, the prices do not make sense. Dogecoin could even go a lot higher. The newbie people, TikTok traders, Robinhood traders, they don't know, about market cap, how high things can go. If they see they're making money, they'll pile in more and they'll probably get burnt. I'm not going to be looking to buy Dogecoin if it gets back above here. I want to look to buy the breakout here towards that level. Same as my trade here. I think I shared another trade in the YouTube channel. I share exactly where I'm looking to buy and sell. In the Rockstar trading group, I can post when I'm buying, I'm selling. So, that's my thoughts on Dogecoin. I think it will get towards that level. If you are interested in the Rockstar Trading Group, guys, I'll leave the links below. There's a special offer for you to trial us for a month. In the Rockstar Trading Group, like I said in the YouTube video, I talk about my trade setup where I'm looking to buy and sell. In the Rockstar Trading Group, I can update you guys. I do live stream 3 to 4 times a week. There's a strategy video. There's a great community. If you are interested, I'll leave the links below. So to end the video, guys, the question I want to ask you guys is, what is your thoughts on Dogecoin? Do you still think it's just a meme coin and it's gonna dump? Or you could think it's a meme coin and you could think it could pump as well. To me, I think it's a meme coin, but we've seen Dogecoin pump, and I think Dogecoin will probably likely to succeed more than a lot of the other cryptocurrencies. So what is your thoughts on Dogecoin fundamentally and for your price? Comment below your thoughts fundamentally and comment below your highest price prediction for Dogecoin in 2021. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Go Dogecoin.